Hi, this is. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm honestly beyond grateful. Knowing that you love them means more than words can say. I couldn't ask for more. I'll keep creating more beautiful songs for you. I know life is easy. We all face hard times, challenges, broken hearts, failures, moments when everything feels heavy. And sometimes music can't fix it all, but it can help us pause, breathe, and reset, and gather strength for the next phase. Believing in yourself, do what you can with what you have. Stay hopeful, stay kind to yourself. Stay with me, and let's heal, rise, and keep going. To Chi, I love you all.